Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all well. In this video we are going to show you how to remove the BIOS password on most modern laptops. Alright, so in this video, as I say, we're going to show you how to remove a BIOS password. Our example is this Dell laptop. However, this method works for Dell, HP, it also works for Compaq, Fujitsu Laptops and Desktops, or any Sony or even Samsung laptops. And generally it works for any machine which is running a Phoenix BIOS, which is obviously a well-known manufacturer of BIOSes on desktop and laptops. So this method, you don't need to disconnect the battery or take apart your PC or laptop. Now there's various ways you can try and attempt to remove the BIOS password. In the old days, the good old days, you used to have to take the PC apart or the laptop apart, and there used to be a little jumper setting on the motherboard where you could just literally move the jumper from one space to another, which would then delete the password for you. But luckily on this method, all you need actually is access to a website, which we will show you in a minute. So let's run through the process, as I say, on this Dell laptop. So first of all, power up the laptop or the PC, which you want to remove the BIOS password for. Go into the actual BIOS setup, and on this Dell it's by pushing F2, sometimes it's the delete key or another keystroke you need to go into. Now as you can see right here, this BIOS, although you can go into it, you can't actually change any of the settings. So for example, we go into system configuration, integrated network controller. I can't actually click anything in here. And that is because the actual BIOS has been locked by someone else who previously owned this laptop. And that you can tell that by this button down here that says unlock. So as I say, down the bottom here, there's a little button that says unlock. And then on other laptops, other model laptops, the HP for example, there's a menu across the top here. One of those menus options says security. If you click on that, it'll open up a menu which shows you a security settings. And one of those, it says the administration BIOS password. So you'd need to go there on an HP laptop, for example. But in this example on the Dell, what we simply do is click unlock. And then we're presented with this window here. And then what we need to do is go to a website called bios-pw.org. Make sure there's a link in the description. And then making note of the serial number, which is displayed here, we'll actually enter that as our code on the website. So for this example, we enter J7, and it is case sensitive by the way, D9 TJ2-6FF1, and then we click get password, and it is as simple as that. Now you'll see for Dell there's two options here: the hard drive serial number, so that's if your hard drive has got a boot up lock on it, that's the password to unlock that. And the number that we're interested in is this Dell serial number here, and that's the long string there. So we need to type that into the password box. So the number we have to type in is 3 capital U D capital S capital H 0 small f small e capital G capital M 0 capital C 8 W M and then capital H. Now don't click OK. This next bit is key. What you have to do is hold down the control key and then press enter. And then what you'll notice is this lock symbol disappears, and then the BIOS itself, you can actually go in and make changes as you wish. Very easy quick and simple way to do it. Now obviously you simply can just exit out and that will save, and that is your BIOS password removed. So that's it for this video. As I say, this method works on various models of laptops. It works on Compaq, works on Dell, HP, Fujitsu, Sony, Samsung, and any device, PC or laptop which runs a Phoenix BIOS. So hope that was helpful. Thanks.